Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to yet another video on this channel. Today I'm gonna continue with this series of Tableau functions. We will be covering two very interesting, simple yet very useful functions, count and COUNTD. Highly useful and very easy to use. So without wasting much time, let's jump straight into our Tableau. So I've connected to dummy data, and you can see we have category and we have order ID. So I'll show you how the data looks first. We have category, we have some null values in the order ID. You can see some duplicates here too. You have some null values, and I mean it's a perfect example how real life data might look to you. A lot of noises there. All right, let's say the use case is that we want to count the number of order IDs per category. So we'll track category. We'll try to create a calculated field. Let's try to see what count function does. Count function returns the number of items in a group. Null values are not counted. So excluding the null value, it will return me the number of items that are there in that particular group. Let me rename count of order ID. I'll use the count function. I'll pass order ID, apply OK. Furniture 2 orders, office supply 4 orders, technology 4 orders. Let's review. Furniture 1 order, 2 order, that's it. And then we have null value, so null will be excluded, so which is correct. Office supplies again 1 order. Let me just sort it. Yeah, 1 order, 2 order, 3 order, and 4 order. We have 4 orders for office supplies. Similarly, it will be for technology as well. Now what we want, I mean, we can see there are duplicates. We want what is a unique count of order ID. We just want unique order IDs. We'll create one more calculated field. We will look for COUNTD function. What does COUNTD function do? COUNTD function returns the number of distinct items in a group. Null values are again not counted. Each unique value is counted only once. So COUNTD order ID. Drag it, and here you can see, please ignore the formatting. Furniture has 1 unique order ID, office supplies have 4 unique order IDs, and technology has 2 unique order IDs. Let's quickly check. We'll check for one only. Furniture, yes, just 1 unique order ID. The second one is just a repeat. Perfect. Now my question is, I just want to count the null as well. Like, I want to include the null as well. I want to see how many records of furniture are there, how many records of office supplies are there, and how many records of technology are there. Create a calculated field, COUNTD null order ID. Very interesting use case of, if you have watched my previous videos, you would know there is a function called as if null, and we can use it very interestingly over here. We'll use a COUNTD function. We'll use if null, and we'll say that if order ID is null, then please treat it as a random ABC, and then give me the count, because I don't want it to be null, because if it is null, obviously COUNTD will ignore it. So I'm transforming the null. It's a kind of a hack. I'm transforming the null into a random placeholder text. Apply OK, and this is it. We have 2 records of furniture, we have 5 records of office supply, and we have 3 records of technology. Let's quickly check. We have 1, 2, and 3 record of technology. Obviously this is same, and we have used COUNTD function, so both of them are being treated same. So we have 3 records of technology, similarly as the case of office supply and furniture. And this is how, you can leverage the count function and COUNTD function in your day-to-day Tableau usage. With that said, if you like this video till here, please hit the like button, do share, do subscribe, and stay tuned for such amazing content on this channel. Happy whizzing. Bye bye.